I'm about to make some pineapple chicken. My chicken is ready. I'm gonna take them out. Yep. What's up, guys? What's up? How is everybody doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to Stacy and D's channel. Yes, guys, if you're new here for the first time, a warm welcome to you. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for making it on Stacy and D's platform. There are so much platforms on this YouTube, and you choose to be here. I really appreciate you for stopping by. So yes, guys, so today guys, I am gonna make some pineapple chicken. I already fried my chicken. I just made a short clipping on me frying the chicken. I wasn't really gonna vlog, but you all know every YouTubers always want a new content, right? So I decided to just turn this out into a vlog. Yes, so I have my lovely fried chicken back there. They are well fried, they are crispy fried, and I have my seasonings right here, and I have some pineapple chunks right here. And don't mind this, guys, it's my little daughter plate. Yeah, so I have like some apple cider vinegar. I have cayenne pepper, I have black pepper, I have some cornstarch, I have paprika, and I have some hot pepper sauce, and I have a little thing of ginger powder here. Yes, guys, so what I'm gonna do, guys, my chicken is fried and right here, right now, so I'm gonna make some sauce. I'm gonna add some ketchup also, guys. Leave the ketchup in the vlog. I am gonna add some ketchup, right? Ketchup, guys. Yes, so I'm gonna add some ketchup. And so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put on the pot to make the sauce. Now, guys, I'm gonna put some oil in. Yes, and after that oil is hot, I'm gonna add these seasonings. And my seasonings, guys, is some bell peppers of different colors, scallion, thyme, and I have some pimento in the midst there. I have onion. Yes, basically that. And I have a little bit, I'll just put a little bit of honey. Yes, so my pineapples is sweet already, but I just still add a little honey. Right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make the sauce, and I will check in back with you all. Yes, guys, so my seasonings is in on my ketchup, and I did not introduce you guys to my pineapple juice. Right, this is some pineapple juice in here, and I already have some chunks also, so I'm gonna add in my pineapple juice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this seasoning. I'm just gonna use just a little bit of cornstarch also, so I'm just gonna add my seasonings, guys. So guys, this is what the sauce is looking like. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and add my pineapple chunks. I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm gonna go ahead also and add in my chicken. Then I'm gonna cover and let it cook for a little while. So stay tuned, guys, okay? Stay tuned. So my pineapple chunks are in. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. Yes guys, the result is here, guys. Check it out, guys. Pineapple chicken, guys. Yummy, 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 yummy. Check it out, guys. So remember, guys, if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and hey, if you don't like the video, just give it a thumbs up still, guys. No problem, I'll appreciate it. Okay, remember, guys, the thumbs up is very important, right? Remember to give me a thumbs up, guys. Leave some comments down below and share me out if you can. And if you're new here, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot more vlogs coming. Yes, I do a lot of contents over here, guys. Different vlogs. I don't have a specific niche. I do different things over here, but this segment is called Stacy's Cooking Show. So I hope you like this video and you enjoy this video, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.